This is a Silva Expedition 4. Quite simply, this is the best base plate compass for civilians who are going out trekking or hill walking. As you can see, it has everything needed for accurate navigation and nothing that isn't. So there isn't an inclinometer or a mirror or a permanent declination adjustments, etc. There's a number of roamers and there is metric and imperial rulers along the edge. The crosshairs hole is used for accurate marking on maps, and one of the questions I get asked very often is, this small circle is the placement for a radioactive sticker on military versions. There's a number of luminous marks which will help when you're using it at night. It's really simple to take a bearing from a map using these compasses. Place it on the map so the edge of the compass is touching both the start and the end of the leg, or for more accuracy you can use the parallax line. Then just turn the bezel until the arrow is pointing directly up the map or north, and the bearing is indicated just underneath the index line. To follow the bearing, just turn the compass until the needle is over the orienting arrow, red in the shed, and follow the direction arrow. On the Silva website, which has been copied by every other website selling these compasses, it says the compass has added functionality for GPS. So just for fun, you could call up these shops and sellers and ask them, what does this actually mean? And will they know? I'm not sure. In reality, it's just marketing speech to say that it has 3 roamers. Maybe the Silva marketing department forgot that there were compasses with roamers available decades before the GPS satellites were even launched. The bearings are printed in black on a white background, so it's very easy to read. Negative points, I've actually seen some of these particular compasses and the dial is sometimes quite hard to rotate, and it's just my personal preference, but I would prefer to have a slightly longer lanyard. I would also prefer to have the fixed declination numbers to be printed in black rather than red, just to make them easier to read. The positive points are that one of the most useful tools on this compass is the parallax line, which, as it's stamped onto the underside of the plate, means that advanced users can take really accurate compass bearings from a map. As the ruler runs along the entire length of the base plate, this is really useful when planning routes of up to 2.5 kilometers or 1.5 miles. The basics are that this is a light, simple to use, very high quality compass, and it's just my opinion, but I would say that the Expedition 4 is the base plate compass by which all other compasses should be judged. I would award the Expedition 4 10 out of 10 because I've not seen anything better. And of course, the same question as in all my other review videos, would I buy the Expedition 4 for my personal use? Yes.